This seminar is called the Biocultural Diversity Program in Oaxaca, Mexico, and it really centers traditional ecological knowledge of the people of Oaxaca. There's over 9 ethnic and cultural groups here, and they all have their own different ways to use the land, the plants. Our seminar is about learning ways to conserve the land.
The program attempts to bring together 2 fantastic elements, life and humanity on the planet today. One of them is biological diversity, and the other one is cultural diversity. In this program, we want to look at those 2 fantastic elements of humanity today and the planet today, not independently, but how they interact, how they co-evolve to create this concept of biocultural diversity.
I found it really interesting how topographically diverse Oaxaca is. It's goes from the oceans to the mountains. I also thought it was really cool to learn about the indigenous aspect of Oaxaca.
We're facing a dramatic loss of biological diversity, but we have not paid sufficient attention to the fact that we're also losing cultural diversity. So the idea of bringing together these 2 elements into a class in which we can illustrate the beauty of biological and cultural diversity, the way they interact, and the situation that these 2 elements of life, as we know it today, are declining, are being eroded, that's the motivation for the class.
We have gone to a Oaxacan market to be able to go through and study the different medicinal plants and fruits and vegetables that they sell there, to be able to understand what is the demand, but also what do they grow here, what is local, what is not, and how can we understand biodiversity within a Oaxacan market.
I do appreciate hands-on experience a lot because it is hard for me to understand theories and understand everything just on paper. My favorite moment was when we were at the house and we were learning about the alebrijes and family businesses, and it was all connected to the passing on of experience, knowledge, and information, tradition, everything.
Today we have a beautiful ceremony where we have the plantation of our first copal. Copal is the main tree used here for alebrijes, which is an artistic art that they share. And it was beautiful to see all the ceremony and how important was the value and the feelings of each people involved in this planting for wishing the well-being and the growth of this copal tree. So it was a very beautiful interaction between all of us with the community.
Many landscapes around the planet are dominated by man-made systems, urban areas, agricultural fields, grasslands for cattle ranching and things like that, which have pushed diversity from their sites of origin. Deforestation, fragmentation, degradation of the habitats is the major driver of biological loss. By losing biological diversity, we're also losing the cultures. We're losing the languages, we're losing their visions, cosmovisions, their traditions.
Stanford was able to continue my financial aid to do this program, and that was also a big influence to my decision. And I think it's really important for us students who come from these experiences to be able to have opportunities to engage in different communications with other majors, but also in different countries that really are very valuable for our experiences.
I knew that I wanted something that would center traditional ecological knowledge. And since I study earth systems, I knew that this would be perfect for me.
The Being Overseas Studies program provides opportunities for Stanford undergraduate students to discover a global education. We facilitate transformative educational experiences that inspire undergraduate students to embrace new challenges in complex global settings. Students have the opportunity to study away in one of our quarter-length programs throughout the academic year, or can choose to participate in our short-term faculty-led global seminars like this amazing experience in Oaxaca.
I saw this as a valuable opportunity for me to learn more about indigenous communities, to learn how to enter into conversation with them, how to work with them, and to also learn to value all the knowledge that they can share with all of us.